You won't see it in the thunder or the armies on parade, not in banners lifted high or in the deals the powerful made. It comes without announcement, without title or domain. The kingdom comes among us like a quiet falling rain. It does not ask permission, it does not seek a throne. It settles on the broken and the ones cast out alone. And where the ground is hardest, where the hurt is most sustained, there you'll find it working like the soft and steady rain. The kingdom comes like rain, gentle, slow, and sure, falling on the just and on the wounded and the poor. No hand can hold or claim it, no power can contain. It comes to us in mercy, like the falling of the rain. I've seen it in a kindness no one thought to understand, in the sharing of a burden, in the lifting of a hand, in the breaking of the bread, where no one keeps a claim. That's the place it gathers, like the forming of the rain. The kingdom comes like rain, not in might or show, but in every act of love that helps another grow. No wall can stand against it, no fear can long remain, for it softens even stone like the falling of the rain. They look for it in glory, they wait for it in fire. They say it comes with judgment and a righteous burning ire, but the voice I've come to follow says it's already begun in the smallest seeds of mercy, in the work that's never done. It falls on every nation, it falls on every land. No border ever stops it, no law can make it stand. It gathers in the lowly, it rises in the plain, a quiet revolution in the falling of the rain. So open up your hands now, let the dryness be undone, for the drought we've learned to live with is the work of everyone. And the world will wake to greenness where the love has not been chained, when we learn to live together in the mercy of the rain. The kingdom comes like rain, let it fall and remain on the lost and the weary, on the joy and on the pain. No end to its giving, no loss within its gain. It comes to us unbidden, like the kingdom, like the rain.